Hello, everybody. Welcome to our market report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Thursday, October 25th. Today, folks, there's really nothing much to do on the markets. If you look at the graph of the Nasdaq here, it's totally neutral here. So we're testing the 200 moving average. So where are the markets going to go? So far, there are two events that I would think determine the market, the Nasdaq direction. It will be either the earnings of Apple or the GDP reading. So how to benefit from Apple's movement? When we look at the Apple, well, for the options of Apple, the market expects Apple to move by 5 to 6%, either in the upside or in the downside. And just like the Nasdaq index, the Apple is just staying totally within its sideways formation. So how could we benefit with options to trade Apple earnings, which will be tonight after the close? First of all, you can think about selling out of the money call and puts. First of all, we will sell the 675 call and 550 puts. So to be profitable, what we want Apple to be is that to rest between the 550 and 675 strike price of the call and the put. And this contract will expire at 0 or tomorrow if we can keep the entire premium from the sale. So to protect ourselves in the event that Apple exceed those limits, because it's really improbable that Apple exceed those limits. If you look at here, to break that support, Apple will have to break that 200 moving average. So to be able to protect ourselves in case of the impossible happens, well, what we will do, we will only buy a 540 puts and 685 call. So just in case we break those limits, we will benefit if Apple increases, and we will benefit if Apple goes lower than 550. So in brief, when we look at the options in terms of the money we could expect from this strategy, will be about $96 per contract. But those prices are only based on the prices we found at 245. First of all, what we'll do, you will sell, let's say, one call at 675, this one here. You'll sell one put at 550, so for a total of about 230. And you will buy for protection a call at 685 and a put at 540. So that's your protection that you're buying. That's for $1.34. So $2.30 of premium and $1.34 as a protection for this strategy. So in total, you have $96 per contract. So that's a strategy you can do to benefit from Apple earnings, which will happen today after the bell. So this is Christian from DecisionPlus.com. See you next week for our market report. To learn more about us, go to DecisionPlus.com on the section free trial to try marketguru.tv.